ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच यदा हीनेन्द्रियार्थेषु न कर्मस्वनुसच्छते सर्वसङ्कल्पसन्न्यासी योगारूढस्ततोच्यते। Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 4th sloka. Dhyana Yoga, Atma Samyama Yoga. 4th sloka. So here Bhagavan Krishna very clearly says that one who have two lakshanas, two important characters, they can do perfectly the Vedantic meditation, that is Nididhyasana. So for them the concentration and they can be oneness. They have a highest concentration and they can have a oneness. They can merge, they can assimilate the Satchidananda Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam. What are those two qualifications? Number one, he have the controlled person. He should not be addicted to and he should not attach to the enjoyment by sense organs objects. So sense organs, which are all the sense organs getting contacted with the sense objects, from that sense objects anyone will get lot of enjoyment. So that type of external enjoyment, he should be away from it. He should be detached. He should not show any interest on the external enjoyment. That is first point. Second point, he should not interest on any karmas also. Means that doesn't mean he should not do any karma. Here he should not engage or he should not show in any interest on karma palam, fruits of action. Means he should do all karmas with karma sankalpam of arpanam to Ishvara. With Ishvara arpana buddhi, he should execute all karmas. He should not have any interest on fruits of actions and karma pala. So he should renunciate or he should be away from the external enjoyment as well as external enjoyments caused by sense organs and the fruits of actions if he execute any karma. Put it in other way, and you should be a karma yogi and you should be a jnana yogi. Then Vedantic meditation is possible and easily it will come for those type of persons. So the yogi, then the yoga rudhan has to have these two type of qualifications are one who has detached from the external objects enjoyment and detached all karmas, here karma palas. So you have to have these two qualifications to become successful in Vedantic meditation. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 5th sloka of Bhagavad Gita of 6th chapter. 5th sloka, 6th chapter. Tomorrow we shall see. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.